up YouTube, welcome to another Follow Arts Life video. Today we have another Pokemon video, obviously. It is a very simple video. We have done this a few times. Well, similar to this. I think I might have probably done this a few times now if you think about it. Anyways, let's do less talking and more opening. So, without further ado, let's do this and this. We are opening up Rebel Clash booster packs. We have right here 9 packs of Rebel Clash. And I'm not going to waste any time, I'm going to go straight to opening. So we have pack number 1. Four from the back, and we have Darkness Energy, Medicham, Beware, Speed Energy, Applin, Hatenna, Orkuda, Galarian Mew, Sturskit, Impedimp, Reverse Hollow, and a Sandaconda V, sorry. There's that. I don't know if I've got this. Might not. Can't remember. Very, very useful. I don't think I have. Anyways, code card for that pack. And we keep going. Continue this journey to keep going. Get more great cards from these. Right, Darkness Energy again. Beware, Skyla, Luxleo, Toxel, Galarian Mr. Mime, Snova, Pedov, Galarian Darumaka, a Zacian Reverse Hollow, and Spirit Tube Regular Rare. Code card. Oops. Next pack. Going to go through these like there is no turning back. I did say there was 9 packs, right? I believe I did, but just in case, there is 9 packs. Water Energy, Luxleo, Durant, Paul Lost Sand, Galarian Mr. Mime, sorry, Galarian Mew, not Mr. Galarian Mew, Caterpie, Galarian Corsola, Litwick, Shinx, Reverse Hollow Clefairy, and Colossal Hollow. Still a nice little pull, which I am not going to complain about. Code card. And we're going to keep this going. Next pack. There is only 9 packs, as I said. I've said this a few times now. But still have to keep a good speed, so the video won't be too long. Water Energy. Calcool, Beware, Skyla, Galarian Darumaka, Hatenna, Safia, Nosepass, Wingull, Stunky, Reverse Hollow, and is Celarance VMAX. We've seen this before. Well, I've seen this before. I've got it in the binder, I believe. But it's a very nice card. Looks very nice. And I'm gonna just make a little room for it. There we go. Code card for that pack. 5 more left. Next pack. Metal Energy, Tool Scraper, Dan, Carcruel, On Edge, Temple, Volabby, Glelian Corsola, Toxel, Roykloy, Reverse Hollow, and Stonejourner regular rare. I've just run out of sleeves. Let me just quickly find where they are. There they are. Right, let's just open a new pack. Quickly. Perfect. Okay. Didn't realise I ran out of sleeves. I apologise about that. But we continue the journey. Code card for that pack. Next pack. Let's do this pack upside down. Leaf Energy. I'm not going to be able to do this pack upside down. Just for a joke I was going to. But let's not do that. For links, Masqueran, Nugget, Bunnelby, sorry, Fullpix, Phantom, Gladian Farfetched, Squovet, ooh, Snorlax Reverse Hollow. I like this card. It's a very nice card. And Garbodor regular rare. But yeah, I really do like this Snorlax. It's a regular rare reverse hollow, which is nice. Code card for that pack. 3 packs remaining. Hopefully we will see another ultra rare. Right, Psychic Energy, Lux Leo, Dracloak, Bronzer, Coughing, sorry, that was not Bronzor, Toxel, Litwick, Lotad, ooh, Clefable Reverse Hollow, which I believe we don't have, and, can't get it, Magmortar regular rare. But this, I believe we don't have it. It's a very nice card. Code card. Code card. Right, next pack. Leaf Energy, Bronzong, Milo, Shuckle, Benaki, Gladian Darumaka, Fullpix, Milcery, Gladian Farfetched, Gladian Farfetched, sorry, Galamine, Reverse Hollow, and Gladian Mr. Ream. I keep getting these Pokemons mixed up for some reason. Code card. Last pack for today. Let's hope for something good. That is 4, right? Yeah. Water Energy, Bronzong, Milo, Shuckle, Hatena, Cypher, Nosepass, Wingull, Coughing, Reverse Hollow Squovet, and oh, we did get something good at the final pack. We have a Top Tri-City VMAX Secret Rare, Rainbow Rare, and it is a very nice card. Very, very nice. Code card. And let's go through what we got today. So if we do this, and then if we do this, this and then this. Okay. Our regular res. Reverse hollows. Hollow. V card. VMAX. And our secret rare of a rainbow rare. Secret rainbow rare. It's a VMAX obviously. And that is it. So press this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button while you're at it so you'll be notified when I upload next. Remember to stay safe, enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.